The way we run Airwallex is very different to US headquartered Silicon Valley company. We are loosely coupled but tightly aligned. We have 2,000 people in over 26 offices globally, and the culture in each office is actually quite different. We give a lot of autonomy to the GMs in each of the region to really tap into the local talents and fit into the local culture and make sure we can leverage in the strengths of each of the region, but not try to kind of make everything the same in every single location in the world.